Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free on laptop or PC. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser. Then you want to search for Adobe, just like so. Then you want to go and click on Adobe Creative Cloud. Then go and click on Start Free Trial. Now you're going to go for any one of these options. Simply, I'll go for monthly, but you should make sure that you have this individual. Then you want to go and click on Add a 7 free trial. Then I'm going to click on Continue. And now here, as you can see, you want to click on this option right here, the first option. And here, as you can see, you will pay nothing. You just have to add your email address right here. And the good thing is that you can actually check this box and make them do not contact you via the email, but I will leave it like so. Then you want to go and hit the continue. Then you want to sign in to continue with your trial. And the good thing is that you can actually continue with Google. And after that, you'll have to provide your payment information. Then click on agree and subscribe. Then you want to go and set up your password. Now, after you do all these steps, the thing that you should do right now is to simply go and search for Adobe Creative Cloud and download it. So here I have Adobe Creative Cloud. You just have to download the Adobe Creative Cloud to your own PC. This is the one. Yes, this is the one. And after you download it, you should open it on your PC just like so. And now you want to go and click on apps. Then you want to go and download Adobe After Effects. Here, as you can see, just click on install and it will be installed to your PC. And do not worry, you will not pay any money until your free trial ends. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.